Hello, and welcome to our planet's grand balancing act. Earth's ecosystems are marvels of nature, brimming with life in countless forms. From the highest peaks to the deepest oceans, life thrives through a delicate balance of interconnected systems. These systems are like gears in a giant machine, each playing a vital role in keeping our planet healthy and habitable. At the heart of this incredible machine are Earth's essential cycles, the continuous flow of elements that are crucial for all life. Just as we need food and water to survive, so too do all living things rely on these cycles for their very existence. These cycles are nature's way of recycling, ensuring that essential elements are constantly being used, transformed, and made available for life to flourish. Today we'll journey through 4 of these fundamental cycles: the nitrogen, carbon, phosphorus, and hydrogen cycles. We'll unravel their mysteries, understand their roles in supporting life, and discover how human activities are impacting these delicate balances. Join me as we delve into the fascinating world of Earth's essential cycles and learn how we can protect these vital systems for generations to come. These cycles are essential for the health of our planet and the survival of all living things. So let's dive in and explore the wonders of Earth's essential cycles.
Let's begin our journey with the nitrogen cycle, a fascinating process that transforms nitrogen into different forms that life can use. Nitrogen is all around us, making up a whopping 78% of our atmosphere. But there's a catch. Most organisms can't use nitrogen in its gaseous form. That's where nitrogen fixation comes in. Tiny microorganisms, invisible to the naked eye, play the role of nature's alchemists. They convert atmospheric nitrogen into a form that plants can absorb through their roots. It's like magic, but it's actually incredible science. Once plants have absorbed nitrogen, it becomes part of their tissues and eventually enters the food chain as animals eat the plants. When organisms die, decomposers break down their remains, releasing nitrogen back into the soil. Finally, denitrification, carried out by other specialized microorganisms, returns nitrogen to the atmosphere, completing the cycle. The nitrogen cycle is crucial for life in our oceans too. Nitrogen is a key nutrient for phytoplankton, the microscopic algae that form the base of the marine food web. However, too much of a good thing can be harmful. Excess nitrogen from human activities like fertilizer runoff can lead to eutrophication, a process that disrupts aquatic ecosystems.
Next up is the carbon cycle, a process as essential as breathing itself. Carbon is the backbone of all life on Earth, forming the building blocks of our cells, the food we eat, and even the air we breathe. The carbon cycle is a continuous exchange of carbon between the atmosphere, oceans, land, and living things. Plants play a starring role in this cycle through photosynthesis. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and, using sunlight as energy, transform it into sugars for growth. When animals eat plants or other animals, they take in carbon. Respiration, the process of breathing and releasing energy from food, returns carbon dioxide back into the atmosphere. The decomposition of dead organisms also releases carbon back into the environment. But there's one more crucial player in the carbon cycle: the ocean. Our oceans act like giant sponges, absorbing vast amounts of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. However, human activities such as burning fossil fuels are releasing carbon dioxide into the atmosphere at an alarming rate, upsetting the delicate balance of the carbon cycle and leading to climate change.
Section 4, the phosphorus cycle. From rocks to cells and back again. Now let's unearth the secrets of the phosphorus cycle. Unlike nitrogen and carbon, phosphorus is mainly stored in rocks. Over time, weathering and erosion release phosphorus from rocks, making it available to plants. Phosphorus is essential for life, playing a vital role in DNA, cell membranes, and energy transfer within cells. Once absorbed by plants, it travels up the food chain as animals consume plants and other animals. Decomposers return phosphorus to the soil when organisms die and decay. However, the phosphorus cycle is incredibly slow compared to the other cycles we've discussed. This makes phosphorus a precious resource, and its availability can limit plant growth. Human activities, such as mining phosphate rock for fertilizers, are accelerating the release of phosphorus into the environment. This can lead to eutrophication in aquatic ecosystems, disrupting delicate ecological balances.
Section 5, the hydrogen cycle. The water of life flows on. Our journey through Earth's essential cycles wouldn't be complete without exploring the hydrogen cycle, also known as the water cycle. Water is the lifeblood of our planet, and the hydrogen cycle is the engine that keeps it flowing. The hydrogen cycle is all about the continuous movement of water between the Earth's surface and the atmosphere. It starts with evaporation, where heat from the sun transforms liquid water into vapor which rises into the atmosphere. As the water vapor cools, it condenses into tiny droplets, forming clouds. Precipitation in the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail returns water to the Earth's surface. Some of this water flows into rivers and lakes, eventually making its way back to the oceans, while some seeps into the ground, replenishing groundwater sources. Plants also play a role in the hydrogen cycle through transpiration, where they release water vapor into the atmosphere from their leaves. The hydrogen cycle is crucial for supporting life in aquatic habitats, transporting nutrients, and regulating Earth's climate.
Section 6. Tiny algae, big impact phytoplankton, and the balance of our oceans. Now let's dive into the vast blue expanse of our oceans and meet some tiny but mighty organisms, phytoplankton. These microscopic algae are the unsung heroes of our planet, playing a crucial role in the carbon cycle and supporting marine life. Phytoplankton are like tiny plants, floating near the ocean's surface and harnessing the power of sunlight to perform photosynthesis. They absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and release oxygen, making them responsible for producing a significant portion of the air we breathe. Phytoplankton form the base of the marine food web, providing sustenance for a diverse array of creatures from tiny zooplankton to giant whales. However, these microscopic powerhouses are highly sensitive to changes in their environment. Excess nutrients from human activities can lead to eutrophication, causing harmful algal blooms that deplete oxygen levels in the water, harming marine life.
Section 7. Our intertwined future, protecting Earth's cycles for generations to come. As we've journeyed through Earth's essential cycles, we've witnessed the intricate interconnectedness of our planet's systems. Each cycle plays a vital role in supporting life, and any disruption to these delicate balances has far-reaching consequences. Human activities are putting unprecedented pressure on these systems, disrupting the natural flow of elements and impacting the health of our planet. From climate change to ocean acidification and eutrophication, the signs of our impact are becoming increasingly apparent, but it's not too late to act. By understanding the interconnectedness of Earth's systems and the consequences of our actions, we can make informed choices to protect these vital cycles for generations to come. By reducing our carbon footprint, minimizing pollution, and embracing sustainable practices, we can help restore balance to Earth's essential cycles. Let's work together to ensure a healthy and thriving planet for all life, now and in the future.